Final video to fix the Xbox app stuck at launching on Windows 11, because this issue prevents you from opening the app and accessing your games. Are you opening the Xbox app and it stays stuck on launching Xbox app without loading? This problem happens when Xbox services fail, cache becomes corrupted, or account credentials do not sync properly with Windows. Sometimes pending updates, background apps, or system glitches also cause the app to hang without warning. Many users search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and full of technical steps that are hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexist, I focus on simple and proven fixes, and today I will share a secret easy trick that gets the Xbox app to launch fast. This trick works because it clears cache, refreshes Xbox services, and repairs account sync instead of changing random system files. You do not need advanced PC skills, risky commands, or extra software. You just apply one smart method that works on most Windows 11 systems. After this, the Xbox app launches normally, account sync works, and the launching Xbox app problem disappears. Many viewers on Rexist already fixed this issue using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix the Xbox app stuck at launching on Windows 11 for good.